On this one, I think I would just plug in numbers and see what happens. I don't have any hard, fast rules. You know, you could factor a k out of here, but I don't even see that. I would plug in an odd number and an even number and see what happens. So let's start off with, I don't know, 1. Let's let k equal 1, and that's going to be 3. And then 1 cubed minus 1. Well, that's going to give me 0 over 6. And 0 divided by 6 is 0, with the remainder 0. Let's try k equal 2. That kind of makes me nervous a little bit, getting 0 up there, but not too much. Okay, let k be 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 cubed is 8. Minus 2 divided by 6. That's 4 times 6 over 6. That's 24 over 6, which is 4, no remainder. Looking good here. I'd probably just stop there. If you want to go and do k equal 3, you can, but I feel pretty good about this. So what are my answers here? So the answer's a equals 0. A is the answer.